Here we have the equation m squared plus 8m plus 7 equals 0, and we have to solve it using the quadratic formula. We know the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And just looking at this, we know we have our a value right here in the m. It's an imaginary 1. We have our b value here as 8. We have our c value here as 7. Because we know all of this, we can plug in and solve. So if we want to solve, let's start off by plugging in the top row. Negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared minus 4 times 1 times 7 all over 2 times 1. When we simplify that, we get negative 8 plus or minus 64, square root of 64, minus 28 all over 2. Simplify it further, we get negative 8 plus or minus square root of 36 over 2. From there we get negative 8 plus or minus, when we simplify the square root of 36, we get 6 over 2. And now when we add, because it can be plus a positive or a negative 6, say we add first, negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. And say we subtract, negative 8 minus 6 is negative 14, but we have to put it over 2. Put over 2 and you get negative 1, negative 7. And those are your possible values for m.